Welcome to SURVAE. SURVAE is a map-based platform for video and imagery. This next-generation media platform is designed for the latest GPS and sensor-equipped cameras and UAVs or drones. Cameras like GoPro's Hero 5 and 6, Garmin's Verb Action cameras, including their 360-degree version, DJI's line of drones, and many others are supported. Even your mobile phone has the ability to capture the camera's location and orientation. So using powerful geospatial and other leading-edge technologies, SURVAE gives you a really intuitive way to find, view, and manage your content. SURVAE's designed it's really an ideal way to see and manage infrastructure, land, real estate, gain insights, and be able to understand what's going on in an emergency or disasters, and even security-type applications. So the latest camera and UAV technologies provide real-time and cost-saving benefits, but they also create vast amounts of video and imagery. And traditional video management methods rely pretty much exclusively on text-based searches, primarily relying on titles, descriptions, tag words, and it makes it very difficult to be able to find what you're looking for. By contrast, all of the video and imagery is mapped within the SURVAE platform. This rich data that's captured by these newer cameras provides really powerful and new ways to find and manage videos and imagery. We're going to discuss the cloud option here, but there are a wide range of accounts available, including private internal content management options. You have optional sharing and even public publishing of your content if you wish, so for promotion materials, things like that. So there's certain applications that require high security standalone versions, and others are looking for purely a cloud option. So either way, SURVAE handles that. So to get started, you can see the SURVAE's browser-based search here. SURVAE offers several ways to find video and imagery. So on the left, you have a traditional search area. The top is a search bar for typing in text searches, and below that you have a number of filters and some sorting options, and then you've got various types of results that sit below. On the right hand side you have a centralized search map. So this search map displays videos, images, and all sorts of other data, including data layers. It handles a variety of map types. So we have street, terrain, satellite, other specialized types, and then for layers you can bring in KML, KMZ, Esri shapefiles, and other geospatial data for that additional context. So search can be driven from either side of the screen. You can either do search, a traditional text-based search to find content, in which case your search results will be displayed on the bottom here. And then on the right-hand side, all of your video and image results then are displayed on the map. The other option is you use the map to drive your searches, and everything within the map. Then, if you zoom in on some particular area, then your search results are going to be loaded based upon what's within that map view. That's settable by this search filter. You can either search the entire world or you can search within your map, and changing that will change which side is driving your search results. So these here are collections. So within each collection you're going to have videos and images, and clicking on any one of these will bring up a bunch of results. So here we click on this. This is a global search, so we have results in Kansas, we've got results in North Carolina, and so on, and these are just some samples. Each one of these results is a video. You can also bring in images, and we'll look at those images in a minute. Each result is tied to each result on the left-hand side is connected to a mapped result. So we'll get into that in a sec. Clicking the X button will take you back to your collections, in which case then we have all of our collections here. Now if we switch to a search in map option, I can then narrow down my search results, but to only include what's within my map view. I can also search for a location. So in this case, we're going to go to Carolina Beach in North Carolina. And I can click on here, and you can see over on the right-hand side in the map, there's a little box that's highlighting where Carolina Beach is located. So it gives me a quick preview insight as to where we're going. If I click on that, it's going to zoom in on Carolina Beach, and now we have results from within the Carolina Beach area. So from there I can zoom in further. Right now I've got quite a few results, and I can further zoom in and move, and I can find a narrower set of results from an area that I'm looking for. So here we have results. The number of results has been narrowed down. Each one of these results on the map is its own video or image. The magenta color, the purple color is a video, and the orange diamond is an image. And on the left-hand side, the wide results are videos, and then we have an image at the very bottom. So each one of these is tied together. When I hover over a search result, it's tied together with a mapped video route. So these are the routes that were captured by the camera or UAV as it was capturing the video. So this is everywhere where the camera went. And in each case, they're tied together with the result. If I hover over any one of these, you're going to see them highlight, and it helps you to understand a little bit more as to where the camera went, and then you have your date, your range, so you understand exactly when and where this video is captured. And you can highlight, any one of these. The other option is you can go over and you can highlight over the top of this route. So routes start where the white dot is. So there's a little circle and a dot. That's the starting point of the video, and then the video continued on from there. So if I hover over this recorded route, there's going to be a preview box that pops up. And that preview box shows what the camera saw when it was at that location. And I can pan or move along the route, and I can see exactly what was there. So in this case, let's switch to a different type of map, and you can see the relationship a little clearer. And we'll zoom in. So there we're along the beach, and as we move along this recording, you can see where the UAV flew, and you can understand exactly what it saw. And you can do this for any one of these videos. And it gives you a really intuitive way to find and manage content. One of the challenges that are faced by traditional video management tools is that, again, they're all text-based. And to try to find imagery of a specific location at a specific time, and to be able to very quickly preview and sort of see the context, both of what happened, earlier in an event or later in an event, or to be able to pull in imagery from different perspectives and to be able to understand really what happened. It's almost impossible to do it with a traditional video management tool. So this is extremely powerful and yet really intuitive and very simple to find and manage your videos. So there's a couple of neat tools here. There's some pins you'll notice on each of these search results. Each one of these pins will zoom the map in to view that particular video result. So we could pick a video result. Let's pick this one. If I zoom to it, it's going to zoom the map to that particular result. If I want to go to a different one, it's going to go to that one. And in each case, it makes it very simple to quickly drill down and find what you're looking for. I can also back out and see, so I have a number of different results here. I could zoom the map out to include all of these results. So if I click here, it's going to zoom out and include those. Now there's some additional ones that it pulled in because they happen to fall within this area. And so I can keep doing this. I could back out a little bit more and include the next one and so on. Now, of course, if I move somewhere else, there's going to be different results. And you can zoom in and very quickly find exactly what you're looking for. Now there's filters available, so you can do date filters. You can select, on the date, you can of course pick whether you want the video's time zone, whether you want my time zone. So I want to understand what happened in, relative to my time, or universal time, which is UTC, which is basically London time. And then you can of course sort your search results by several different methods. So this is a super powerful way to find and manage videos and imagery. You can bring in different types of layers for additional context. If you want to play a video, you want to jump right into a video, when you're hovering over it, you go, well, I want to start from this particular point. I want to look at this bridge as it flies up over the bridge. I can click, and it will pull up the video player, and it will play from that point, and now I'm within the video. And the same things apply within a video. You can hover over a route. You can quickly go, I want to go a little closer, I can go there. Fully interactive map within the player, and we go over the player in more detail within another video. But this is, it's a quick way to get around and find what you're looking for. So this is really ideal for land managers, commercial real estate, if you're going to do travel, news, law enforcement, emergency responders. You can use thermal imagery, UAV imagery. It's really unified, and it's agnostic about the type of camera. So you're not limited to one type of camera. It's designed to support all sorts of cameras and all. And then there are often specialized applications, including submarine, marine applications, high-end, manned aircraft like helicopters and so on, that you can bring data in from as well. So that's a quick introduction to the SURVAE platform and the search capabilities. And be sure to check out our other videos for additional information on the players and some of the dashboards and some other neat capabilities.